fair value gaps are a 3 candlestick pattern. The middle candle is what tells you whether it's a bullish or a bearish fair value gap. If we're looking at a bullish fair value gap, we're looking for the middle candle to be a green candle, an upward candle, and then for the outside 2 candles, all we're looking for is a gap between the top wick and the bottom wick of the first and last candle. So as you can see, between the top wick here and the bottom wick of this candle, there's a gap that forms. This right here, that difference between the 2 wicks is a fair value gap. If these wicks were intersecting, if this wick came all the way down here, for example, and intersected with this wick, then that's not a fair value gap. It has to have a gap between them. And what that fair value gap is that is another point of liquidity. Price is drawn to it. Price is drawn into this range, into the fair value gap range. There's basically only buy orders in this area and no sell orders.